Hi guys, so today I wanted to answer the query, how do you recruit the right people at the right time for your business requirements? A lot of people refer to this as a chicken and egg situation. In other words, do you wait until you're incredibly busy and then recruit? The problem with that is that if it takes you 12 weeks to find the right person, and then it takes them another 3 to 6 months to get up to speed, you've effectively taken 9 months to recruit somebody for a job. So if you do that for 2 or 3 years in successively, you've lost a potential 2 years extra growth doing that because it's slowed your business down. The other alternative, to take the financial risk and recruit somebody now, even though you might not have the revenues and the finances to support that recruitment. Now the answer is quite simple, and it comes back to that same old favourite of mine, planning. If you've got a business plan and a trajectory takes you forward into the future, what you have to do is monitor your existing results against your business plan, and when you're tracking against your plan over several months, you can be confident that the actions that you're taking now are going to project into the future, so your business will be where it needs to be. And if that's the case, then what you do is recruit now. Take the risk, because you should have the confidence that you'll get the results to support that investment. Now that's a simple but very, very effective approach. Now there are other caveats to that, and we can build on that, and I'll probably cover those in future videos. If you found this point useful, or you'd like to know more, drop me a comment, drop me a direct message, give me a call, whatever, and I'll gladly talk you through some of the other things that we can do. Speak to you soon. Bye.